We are on Harbor and Spadina Street. Streetcar is passing. We just got new streetcars not long ago. And then there, 55 Harbor Street is the center, and there is actually a swimming pool. Remember, swimming pool is there. It's extremely good. People are training all kind of things. They play all those professional games, and also they train for the jumpings into the water. Remember their harbor front, no harbor front, 55 Harbor Street that you can visit here. It is important. Then you have the universities down there and the place to sleep for the students over there, you can see, and goes even down. On the end is also Scott Mission that you can eat for free twice a day, just to let you know.